Oh, I was on mute. This is Captain Chris of the USS Enterguise, requesting assistance. Enterguise sustained heavy damage from Burning Man 2019. There was too much love, amazing creativity, energy, like you wouldn't believe. Everybody wanted a hug. It was an amazing sense of humanity. Wait, what timeline is it? Is it Kelvin? No. Corona? Stardate 2020, 6:15.1. Coronavirus. Rioting. Social distancing. It can't be. Do I have an ensign? An ensign with a red shirt that wants to go on an away mission to Earth? You know, Earth, we've got enough going on. We're just gonna take Enterguise to, another planet, like any other planet. I actually heard Mars has like a Musk station or something, so we're just gonna head on over there. So, Enterguise out. Hey everybody, welcome to Building Enterguise, and also NetslayerTV. My name's Chris, and I build the Enterguise EV art car for Burning Man. So first things first, what's Burning Man? Burning Man is very hard to describe. Think of it as a cultural experiment where 80,000 people from all over the world come together in the desert and build a city from scratch for a week. There's tons of pieces of art. Some of it's stationary, some of it's interactive, and some of it even gets burned. There's lots of music and opportunities to have crazy experiences while disconnected from society. But one thing that really inspires me are all the crazy art cars and all the amazing creative people behind them. If you want to learn more about what Burning Man's all about, I highly recommend you check out this video that my friend and campmate Miriam put together. So what's this about art cars? They can be almost anything at Burning Man. There's big art cars like the wooden ship you can jump on and get a ride in Playa, which is the area between all the artwork. Then there's small art cars like Pac-Man that provide an amazing visual experience. Most art cars have a crazy amount of lights, so they look amazing at night, and lots even have flame effects. So two big reasons to have art cars at Burning Man is it provides moving pieces of art and also slow speed transportation for anybody who wants a ride between the stationary pieces of art. So what about the Enterguise Art Car? Over the last 5 years, I've been building art cars for Burning Man. So in 2015, I started to conceptualize a prototype electric art car. So where did the name come from? That year's Burning Man theme was Carnival of Mirrors. Combining that with a spaceship theme and a mystical guise covering led to the name Enterguise. I love technology, LEDs, and also sci-fi shows dealing with space. So naturally, a spaceship theme. While growing up, I always wanted to build a car from scratch. So when I went to Burning Man, I saw these amazing art cars providing experiences to others. I was inspired to build one myself. So I love to build things. My background is in software engineering, but ever since I was a kid, I was always interested in mechanical and electrical things. So that's what I do in my spare time. Also, this YouTube channel, NetslayerTV, will be for all the cool stuff that I build and want to share. The art car is by far the biggest project that I've ever built, and that's why I'm starting with Building Enterguise. If you're getting excited to follow along this journey, now's a great time to click on the subscribe button, and then click on the alerts icon to make sure you're notified whenever there's new episodes. So why an EV? I've always had a passion for electric vehicles, and I'm also an early adopter. As my friends can attest, I'm a huge fan of Elon Musk and Tesla. I think it's important that we move to renewable energy and inspire the next generation into sciences and engineering. So usually every year, I spend the first 6 to 8 months in my spare time in the evenings and the weekends working on the Enterguise Art Car for that year's Burning Man, which is in August. However, this year's different. With all the craziness that's happening in the world, Burning Man's not happening. Instead, I've been working on Building Enterguise, which is this YouTube series. Each and every week, there's gonna be a new episode following the art car's build all the way back from 2015 Burning Man up until now. Even though Burning Man's not happening this year, you can follow along just as if it was going to happen, and we're gonna get the art car prepared and ready for that year. We're gonna start with the prototype art car built for Burning Man 2015. This was the first art car used for logistics, so we can figure out how it's like to build something by hand, how to get it approved and brought to Burning Man, and then how to perform while there. And then in 2017, we built the much bigger art car from scratch. It has a custom aluminum frame built around suspension, steering, and drivetrain components from a Mazda Miata. A 3D printed warped battery floor with 760 lithium-ion battery cells for 10 kilowatt hours of power. Over 6,000 programmable LED pixels. A solar roof that helps it charge. Lots of seating and touch panel controls. 2018 was all about Cyborg pink Flamingos taking over the Enterguise. Lots of comfy pink fur and a lot more lights. I'm talking over 10,000 LED pixels. 2019. This was the year we designed and 3D printed a proper saucer for the entire art car. Each 3D printed panel is unique and has a continuous crystal-like hexagon pattern. The saucer has over 3 times as many lights as the first generation of Enterguise. That's over 15,000 pixels, all controlled with a DMX light controller. That's some serious lighting. And let's not forget the 3D printed nacelles.
Testing. You can hear me talking. Whoa.
So in 2019, after 4 years of iterations, as you'll see, I really feel like Enterguise became a full-blown art car. Conceptually, it's really where I want it to be. It's got lots of features, it's reliable, and it's given tons of experiences to people in the playa. Also, you may have recently seen it on MotorTrend, MSN, and USAToday. Lots of super cool pictures they took. I really want to take a moment to recognize all the amazing people that give their time and energy into building Enterguise. Most importantly, John, who put a lot of love and labor into this car. It would not have been here without him. Also, my best friend Matthew. He's been one of the most influential people in my life. He not only hired me on one of my first jobs, but inspired me to go to Burning Man and helped with the art car. As well as Adele, Isaac, Dekran, Rosie, Dasha, all the members of Paradise Motel, and our camp leader Mark. Thank you. So with that, I welcome you on this crazy 5-year journey of building Enterguise. On the next episode, we're going to deep dive into the prototype art car, all the way back in 2015. From the design to the development, having it at Burning Man, and then back home for the decommissioning.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.